Alright, so here we are on the alignment rack. She got on with the splitter. Still a little bit on the close side, but it got there. And we're going to attempt to figure out how to make this thing turn left for the Cleetus Spectator drags here next weekend. So, I think I'm going to try to do a healthy bit of positive camber on the left front. I haven't quite figured out what I'll do on the left rear yet. Kind of depends on my range of adjustment, I guess. Probably not touch the right side too much, other than take some camber out of the right rear to see if we can get her to launch. I don't know. Gotta catch a plaid. We'll see. Alright, so starting out, looks like the rear toe moved on me a little. Front might just be the steering wheel's not centered. I think I was running 0.03 on each side, but the rear definitely moved on me. I got a tiny bit of play in the adjustment link on the right rear, so I have a feeling that that's the representative of that, but let's see where we go from here. Alright, so driving impressions. To go straight, I have to keep constant pressure on the wheel. The wheel is for the most part straight, but if I let go of the wheel, she wants to turn left. Well, I can't see it from there. So I guess that's good, because she's supposed to turn left. So